Fine. So now everybody should see my screen, my presentation. So I welcome everybody to the session certification schemes of installers from the QUALICHeCK project. And first, I would like to thank the backup office, Alexander, Mariana, to organize all the things here that we can do that kind of webinars. So the webinars, what we are doing here is, or this webinar is one of the series of webinars we offer in the QUALICHeCK project. And we have two main topics. That one is on the quality of energy performance certificates, and the other one is quality of works. And today we're concentrating on the quality of work with our team. What is the reason that we started this project? Because when we come to nearly zero energy buildings, it's very important to take attention on each energy saving measure what you can. And so you not only have to have a good concept, you also have to have a good realization. Otherwise, you pay a lot of money to have a really low energy demand. And you see, we have this two objectives I talked about at the beginning, and today we will looking for the quality of works in detail. And what we are doing is we collect information on the status on the ground, and then we are comparing existing approaches all over Europe, and then we develop guidelines for improvements in the special fields. And we are looking for focus areas. One is transmission, one is ventilation and air tightness, one is sustainable summer comfort techniques, and last one, renewable multi-energy systems. Why it is important, I explained it already in the beginning. But with the situation in Europe, in most of the countries, is that we lost a lot of money for construction errors. In Germany last year, we have an amount of more than 1 billion euro just due to correct construction errors. And that is a big amount we have to take care that we will have a better situation. When we discussed or started our project and we discussed what is quality of works, and we defined at the end in a reference document, what you also can find on the website, that quality of the work refers to the potential gap between the work realized and the work expected to meet. Therefore, it's important that you really describe the situation, what you expected to meet, that you can define. We analyzed in the project is running already more than 1 year. We analyzed the situation on the ground, and we found that we have 4 main reasons for poor quality on the work. That is poor specification, that you don't really describe what you want at the end. Then the lack of competence and the critical economic conditions what we have, and also lack of control in the member states. We find out that then we collected examples, and all this you can find already if you are interested on the website. On the first report, we have 17 documented examples on critical situation, on quality of the work, and we have 15 best practice examples how you can solve this kind of critical situation by formal procedures. And what currently is in progress is that we analyze all this information, and we preparing an so-called source book. So we put all the information together, and this source book has then different parts, and we have a draft on this source book currently ready. And what we like is for people that are interested on this themes that you may give us some comments on this source book. So we have a review phase currently, and if you can spend some minutes to have a look on the source book and give a feedback, it's very, very welcome to you. Today we picked up one part. One important part, but a very specific part, and that we call it certification schemes for installers. And we have 3 presentations from situations in member states. And we will start with Susanna Geisler. Dr. Susanna Geisler is project manager in LGMB, the Austrian Sustainable Building Council. And Susanna will tell us about her experience in training and certification schemes for installers in Austria. Susanna, the floor is open for you.